You ever sit down with a spreadsheet, staring at rows and columns, and think, how did I get here? I mean, Excel can feel like a labyrinth sometimes, but then there's that moment of clarity when you remember the SUMPRODUCT function. It's like a secret weapon hidden in plain sight. You take two arrays, multiply them together, and then sum the results. It's elegance and simplicity. You can analyze sales data, calculate weighted averages, or even forecast trends. It's not just numbers, it's a story waiting to be told. I remember the first time I used it. My boss was impressed, and I felt like a wizard casting spells with formulas. But it's not just about impressing others, it's about unlocking insights, making sense of chaos. In a world overflowing with data, the SUMPRODUCT function is a beacon of order, guiding us through the numerical storm. Who knew math could feel so empowering?